In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set custom paper sizes, columns, and checkboxes in Google Sheets. Let's jump right in and make your spreadsheet look exactly the way you want, both on screen and when you print or export it. Start by opening your Google Sheet in your browser. To adjust the paper size you'll use for printing or PDF export, open the print preview. The quickest way is to press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. This opens the print settings panel where you can preview how your sheet will lay out on the page. Look for the paper size option in the sidebar. Click it and choose the size that fits your needs, such as letter, A4, legal, or another available format. This choice affects margins, scaling, and how many columns and rows fit per page. Get all of page, so pick the one that best matches your region or your printer's expectations. Once you've confirmed the size, you don't need to print right now. Click Cancel to return to your sheet. The selection you made is remembered for your next print or export. Next, let's fine-tune columns and rows. Select the row or column you want to resize by clicking its header. If you're adjusting more than one, drag across multiple headers to highlight them together. Move your cursor to the line between column letters or row numbers until it changes to a double-sided resize arrow. Click and drag left or right for columns or up and down for rows to set the exact width or height you want. This is helpful for making headings readable, aligning numbers neatly, and keeping your print layout clean. If you're preparing a checklist or a narrow status column, make those columns just wide enough to look tidy alongside your data. Finally, let's add checkboxes. Highlight the cells where you want them to appear. These can be in a single column, across a range, or even scattered selections, as long as they're highlighted together. Go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen, then choose Checkbox. Instantly, each selected cell becomes a clickable checkbox you can check or uncheck. These checkboxes store values behind the scenes so they can be used in formulas or filters later. For a clean look, keep checkbox columns narrow and align them with your text columns so everything reads smoothly. That's it. You've set your paper size for clean prints and exports, adjusted your column and row sizes for clarity, and added checkboxes for fast tracking. Save your sheet, and you're ready to share or print with confidence.